How to enter trades. To enter a trade, click the New Order button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter details about the trade. From the drop-down menu, select the market you want to trade, choose the order type, specify the position size in the volume box, and set a take-profit level and stop-loss if needed. Otherwise, leave these fields blank. Finally, choose your fill policy. Fill or killer means the trade will only execute if the entire specified volume is available. If not, the trade will be cancelled. Immediate or cancelled means the trade will execute with the maximum volume available if it's below the specified amount, with any remaining volume cancelled. Once you're ready, press the buy or sells to complete the order. Alternatively, you can quickly place a trade using the one-click trade buttons found in the top left corner of each chart and in the Trading tab of the Market Watch window. If these buttons aren't visible, right-click on the chart and select One-Click Trading. The first time you use these buttons, a window will appear to confirm your understanding of their functionality. Agree to the terms and press OK to activate the buttons on your charts. To use them, enter your desired position size in the box and click either Buy or Sell to execute the trade immediately. For adding pending orders, right-click on the price level where you want to set the order and hover over the trading menu. This will show options for various orders based on whether the price is above or below the current level. The position size will be set according to the volume entered in the one-click trading box. Clicking on your chosen order type will place the order. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.